Curb appeal plays a crucial role in shaping the first impression of a home. A well-designed front yard not only increases the home's aesthetic appeal, but can also boost its market value. Achieving front yard curb appeal requires thoughtful attention to various elements, including landscaping, color, texture, and hardscaping. Let's explore top 7 things to boost up your curb appeal. Maintaining proportion. When designing the front yard for curb appeal, it is essential to consider proportion. The size of plants and hardscaping elements should complement the house, not overpower it. The word proportion can be anything. Consider the mature growth of evergreens before you place them. Shape and trim the plant as needed to keep them organized manner. Choose flowering annuals, or perennials for symmetry and repetition. That brings wonderful organized appeal to the landscaping. Symmetry and repetition also play a role in creating a harmonious design. Symmetrical planting around bordering areas, or driveways can lend a sense of formality and balance. Repetition of colors, textures, or plant types throughout the yard provides cohesion, appeal, and seasonal interest. Layered planting is an effective strategy for front yard design. By using plants of varying heights, starting from tall trees to low ground cover, you can create depth and texture. Creating a layered landscape design for your front yard can add depth, dimension, and a visually appealing structure that evolves with the seasons. For hillside landscape areas and slope areas, layered planting can enhance the visual appeal and organized maintenance. While flowering bushes can provide foundational platform and year-round greenery, long-blooming perennials and annuals can add burst of color and texture. Incorporating pathways into your front yard design can significantly enhance the curb appeal by creating a welcoming, organized flow while adding visual interest to your landscape. Pathways are both functional and decorative, guiding visitors to the front door and highlighting key features of your yard. Along the edges of the path, consider using low-growing plants and ground covers. These plants provide a soft border and create a fragrant, welcoming atmosphere. Pathway lighting enhances safety and extends the functionality of your yard after dark, but it also adds a layer of beauty, making your yard look well-maintained and welcoming at night. Amazing impact of container plants. Incorporating planters, flower pots, and other vessels that pair well with the style of your home is a great way to elevate your porch entrance area of the front yard. Container plants are a versatile and dynamic element in front yard landscaping. Container plants offer tremendous design flexibility. They can be placed in various locations around the front yard, such as on porches, along walkways, beside entryways, or even strategically positioned in garden beds. Well-placed container plants can serve as focal points in the front yard, drawing attention to specific areas or features. Fill up the pots with seasonal plants for wonderful foliage, and flowering plants to boost up the pleasing appeal. Hardscaping and sculptures. Hardscaping, or the use of non-plant elements like walkways, walls, and decorative stone, helps balance the softer, natural components of the landscape. It defines spaces, creates paths for navigation, and provides focal points that guide the eye. Water fountains and sculptures are the elements that can create a striking first impression, offering a blend of aesthetic beauty and elegancy for year-round interest. These features are an excellent way to personalize the landscape and reflect the homeowner's taste and style. Stone borders, or raised beds define the planting areas and can add an element of organization to the landscape. Customized features like water fountains, sculptures, or even lighting enhance the visual appeal of the front yard. Impact of customized evergreens. Evergreens are a cornerstone of front yard landscaping, due to their ability to provide color, structure, and beauty throughout the entire year. Their year-round presence ensures that the front yard maintains visual interest, offering a stable, green backdrop that complements both seasonal plants and hardscape features. Evergreens act as a natural framework for the front yard, helping to outline paths, define borders, and create a sense of enclosure around the home. Choose the evergreens that bring the combination of ornamental value and year-round green, to boost up low-maintenance landscaping. Create focal points. Whether it's a bold sculpture, a beautiful tree, or a water feature, the focal point becomes a defining element that gives the yard character and personality. A well-placed focal point not only enhances curb appeal, but also creates a sense of balance and harmony in the landscape. Choose specific areas of the yard to define the landscape structure. These focal points can transform an ordinary space into an inviting and aesthetically pleasing environment. A fountain placed near the front entrance, or in a garden bed, serves as both a visual and auditory focal point, creating a peaceful atmosphere and drawing attention to the surrounding area. Abstract or contemporary sculptures can create a modern, sophisticated focal point, especially in minimalist or modern landscape designs.
Before you plant, check your hardiness zone. Understanding your plant hardiness zone is important, as it can help you choose plants that will thrive in your garden. I hope you liked the content of this video. Please do not forget to drop a like to this video for channel support. Subscribe to House Talks channel for more interesting garden videos. Thank you.